Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing, well actually this week, just for this week, I'm going to be doing Vlogmas. So I'm going to take you along on my day and show you what goes on. It's not super exciting. I do work full time in an office, so all week I am working. But I'll just give you a little glimpse of what's going on in my day. Starting off the day with packing my lunch. My breakfast. Actually, I need to add some stuff to my breakfast. So I have some, not overnight oats, it's just yogurt, some berries, and chia seeds in a bowl here that I prepped last night. And then I have this new 7 Sundays like mix of granola. It has dates, it has coconut. I always like to have something crunchy on top, so that's gonna be the crunchy element. Spoon this in. Okay, so let me add this in. I'm almost gonna be leaving to work soon, so I'll just add in a little topping on top. And then that'll be my breakfast for today. So yeah, I'm just getting my lunch together and my breakfast together. I have this, and then I prepped some chicken and rice for lunch. And I have my little bag here. I'm just gonna bag everything up. Oh, and then I also have my silverware. I'm gonna take that with me too. I didn't think of anything else. I didn't do snacks. I will tomorrow. I want to do like some snacks. I just didn't prep that kind of stuff yet. So, and I don't have time. Like I'm running super behind because I accidentally overslept. So that was fun this morning. But yeah, that's gonna be my lunch bag for today. Okay, I need to put my earbuds in, take those to work. I have my glasses. So that bag is good. Oh, actually I wanna do some of this little Vaseline. Really like this stuff. These little mini ones are really cute. All right, so I'm gonna take that with me. Okay, I think that's it for my purse. I also have, take this. Okay, so I also take a backpack. My goodness, lots to take. Okay, so I have my backpack, and I'm just gonna take my laptop. Actually, a planner too. I'm gonna go get my planner. Okay, so I have my planner because I do work on some things while I'm on break and lunch. Okay, so it's my backpack. And then last is the lunch bag. And I am all ready. It's 6:50 and I have to be at work at 7, so I barely have enough time to get there. So thankfully we have like a 6-minute grace period, so I should be fine. Morning.
Good morning.
Thank you. Okay, it's time for my first break. I get 15 minutes on my first break, so I'm gonna get some work done. So it's not really a break, but it is from this job. Although it's been very slow today, so haven't been doing too much. Just been catching up with my coworkers. But I do need to do a couple of things for my social media stuff. I have to submit some content that I had to create, for a brand. So I'm just going to do that. Actually, I need my phone to do that, so I won't be able to film any of that kind of stuff. But that's my plan, is to just get that submitted. And then also, oh, the happy planner. So I wanted to mention, because I do work with the Happy Planner, they do send me product and stuff to review. So I wanted to mention, if you're interested in new planners or sticker books or any of that kind of stuff, oh, I'm really excited for this collection, this squad one. Love seasonal, love squad stuff, but there are a bunch of new items that released today, so definitely check out the site. I have a video showing some of the journals. I got a bunch of journals and planners from the new Disney line, but there are also, yeah, there's a bunch of things. Sorry, it's like the internet at my work is so bad when I tried to connect on my laptop. But there are some new like mini products. This Sherpa snap cover looks so cute. It looks so, I just want to have it to touch it. But I got a bunch of the journals, these journals. So I have a video showcasing these and flipping through these. They sent me all of these, which was really, really nice. So there's journals and planners, actually. It's journals and planners. So definitely check out the site. There's lots of things, new things that you can check out over there that released during the winter. This is the winter release. I am back home. It is around, let's see, what time is it? 4:30, almost 4:30. And I wanted to share my Christmas setup in my living room because I absolutely love it. Oh, actually, I'm trying to find, where is my remote? Okay, so this is my living room setup. I have my remote. I have my Christmas trees, well, most of the Christmas trees set up to this little remote right here, which has been nice. So we need to get this more into the, you know, magical vibes here with the lights. So I have, just a little backstory, I have 3 Christmas trees. Well, I'm gonna count this as a mini one, so it's like 3.5 Christmas trees because it does have Christmas lights on it. But this is my main one right here. So we'll turn the lights on for that one. So pretty, love it. I've had this tree for over 10 years, and I put a ton of lights on it this year, and I absolutely love how it looks. So pretty. Love that tree. And then this is the little mini one. So we'll turn this one on too. It has some lights. And then I have a tree in my bedroom, which I'll share maybe in another video. And I have a tree in my office too. But that's the only one that's not controlled by this. It's controlled by something else. But yeah, feels so much better to have the lights on. So pretty. Love it. So I'll kind of go over my space. I have little decor here, all my little birds. I collect these birds from Target. I have tons of them, so I actually have, like, there's 2 rows. There's birds in the back too. Yeah, lots of birds. And then my tree, I have a more neutral tone in this, in the living area. In my bedroom, it's a little bit more colorful, and then the one in my office is like pink. Oh, this wreath, I made this wreath a few years ago with some like little houses from Target, and then just a wreath that I spray painted. Yeah, I spray painted it white just so it wasn't so green. Oh, and also the little bottle brush trees. Those I got at like Michael's and other stores. Here's my advent calendar. I've been a little bit behind, so I need to eat those chocolates, which I actually have here. I have a box of chocolates from C's. So this is how I do my advent calendar. I'll like open a little door, and then I will pick a piece of chocolate from here, which actually went to C's, and I picked out all these chocolates here. And then I found this little box, which I still need to, I'm just super behind on everything. I still need to put the chocolates in here, but that's the little box that I want to be able to put them in. And then I could just open the box and then pick a chocolate and do that. That's my advent. So yeah, I have a couple days because we're on the 8th. So I have 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th, 4 pieces of chocolate. Oh my goodness. And then I need to switch this to say 17. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this little one here. Oh, can't find the hole. Come on. There you go. All right, so that's what I looked it up, and it says it's 17 days till Christmas. So I'm trusting my Google on that's correct. But yeah, that's my living area. This area, my couch. Oh, I do have some like little, put some like little garland kind of stuff there. And then I have like one Christmas pillow. And then I have like a little decor here. Nothing too much, but yeah, that's my setup in my living room. It's very magical. I love it. Honestly, it's been very difficult to get things done since I have all these decorations up because it's so cozy, especially when it starts getting a little bit darker and I just have these lights on and all I want to do is just sit on this couch and that blanket right there and then just watch a Christmas movie, which I've been doing, which has been really, really nice, but I have so much work I need to do, so I can't be doing that. Maybe just save that for the weekend. But yeah, just wanted to share my Christmas setup in my living room. In the next few days, I'll share my other setups, but this is my living area. All right, so I am going to eat a little early dinner. I'm really, really hungry, actually. I have a grilled cheese tomato soup, which I actually got at Costco, a salad, a Coke Zero, and then I am watching Life of Lori, which I love this channel. It follows a ballerina. She's a ballerina. So I really enjoy watching her channel. It's very lovely. Nice content. So I'm watching her as I think she's performing she's performing in the Nutcracker in a few shows. So I've been watching her Vlogmas. I think she's been doing it since Thanksgiving. So I'm watching that while I eat my dinner. See, it's so pretty. I think next year, so she lives in San Diego, so I think next year I need to make sure I try to catch one of her shows that she performs out here, because she kind of goes all over the place and performs. And yeah, I know she's doing a couple out here in California, at least in my area. So yeah, definitely on the bucket list for next year to watch her perform in real life and see the Nutcracker. Oh my goodness, look what I found. Snoopy and Jazz. It's so cute. Definitely fits the vibe. And it's getting me pumped up for what I'm about to film because it has to do with Snoopy. And I'll show that in a bit. But I need to work on some things. But first, I want to fix my Advent because I'm super behind on my Advent. I need to open up 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's 4 chocolates. I think I'm just gonna eat. I'm just gonna have 2 chocolates today. I might have one. I'm gonna have one right now, so I'll pick a chocolate right now, and then I'll have one later tonight, which I won't be able to film that because this video will be up by then. But I will open the door at least. I don't think I can do it on camera because I have to get in I had to shove my tree into my bookcase because I just don't have enough room. But let's see if I can get this. Well, actually, I can reach it. Okay, so I have 5, 6. I'll just do, I'll do all of them. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so all the doors are open. And then I just need to get my chocolate, which is still in the box. I'm just gonna pick one chocolate and I'll eat another one today. And then I'll eat another extra one. I got extra chocolate, so this is more chocolates than I need, but these are just all the ones that I picked out. I have a mixture of like caramels, dark milk. There's the marshmallow ones. There's like nuts and all kinds of stuff. For me, all the good stuff. So I think, let's see, I'll pick this one here. I feel like this is the marshmallow one. Let me see. Yeah. This is marshmallow. Sorry. Okay, I got the marshmallow and caramel. Amazing combo. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this and I'm gonna go film a video. An unboxing video. So this is what I will be filming. This is the work I need to do. Well, one of the things I need to check off my list. I have to do this. I have a couple other videos I need to film as well. And some shop related things that I need to take care of. So this is what I will be filming. It is a Peanuts Be Happy box. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this because it's also seasonal, which is even better. Love a seasonal anything planner, box, sticker books. But look how cute it is. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this. I need to actually get a little, have them near me? No, I don't. Okay, so I will do like a little small sneak of this, but I plan on doing a full flip through. Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness. This box is super adorable. It's still available if you're interested, but oh my goodness, the paper. It looks like little comic strips. It's so cute. So yeah, lots of goodies in here. I'm just going to do a little unboxing video and post that probably tomorrow. And then I'll probably in tomorrow's Vlogmas, I will show all the content in there since the unboxing will already be up. But yeah, that's what I plan on working on next. And that is going to be it for today's Vlogmas. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed getting a little insight into my day, at least for my Monday. Hope you enjoyed watching. Hopefully you want to join in and watch the rest of the week. Again, I'm only going to be doing a week because I feel like this week it's not, I'm busy, but it's not going to be hectic like it is going to be next week. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.